see your food. Come.
I'm telling you. No, bro.
Oh, wow, looking so sweet. I'm a camera mama. You're up on the vlogs. I came for real.
Don't give no free promotion, grandma. You're big, you know. No free promo. You're big. You're big. No free promo.
Nice for that one.
Mommy, which button is it for the person in the back?
Boom, sugar cane. Here in the countryside of Jamaica. Yes, this is sugar cane. The second time, first it was chicken. Oh, one day yes, auntie, you see that one here? I'm not pointing. You don't point, mommy.
Oh,
see,
I didn't point, I just said that one is good. You see? Auntie Banda, that one over. In the country of Salt River here.
The country.
We're the most rural part of Clarendon, Salt River.
Not the most.
One of the most rural
You were born
parts.
here or you grew here?
I was born here.
Is it here?
I was born here. Not this.
Down there. Welcome.
And my siblings. Let
Welcome.
me show you where I was born. Come along. It was completely demolished because of the hurricane, but this is where it all began. I was born here. Yeah. No. Golden brown.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Another day, another vlog. So we're in line. We're in Mapen. Hold on, let me see the line for KFC, guys. Hold on, I can't see this. Traffic. KFC is always full. One thing about Jamaicans is whenever we can, we will be eating KFC. And it's the first one I'm having since I've arrived. Probably I'll just do one. One for 2024, one for 2025. What do you say? That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, we head out now. Quick chicken grabs. Because the drive-thru is not giving what it's supposed to give. We can't drive through. Yeah. I want a big deal. I'm a big deal. Me and my friends were some big deals. You want spicy and barbecue?
Yeah.
Okay. You want original straight?
Yeah.
And you just want, okay, alright. It's a Jamaican way.
It's a forever dumpling.
This is the ultimate package. Boiled dumpling.
Fry
The next
over.
day, fry over. Number one. Top tier.
DJ, the battle DJ, DJ.
We're in the town of Maypen, and you know it's just one of those days now. But content after one, going to the market. Let's just see what they do. Kamforreall in the streets. Skylove. Ultimate shopping center.
Where exactly it would
Where? But they don't. Oh look! Oh look what we have here!
This one is good weird though. Just saying.
So we're trying to color match.
You know.
Dress.
No.
No?
No.
Why? Maybe.
Alright, look on the shades. Just look on the shades. Look on the difference. This and this, yes. But these
But
two. Look how far from that.
It not to be exact, it can be similar. I like it.
I'm gonna change it.
Let me say another one.
No, that is the closest one. Unless I sell it somewhere else.
This is the closest one to it.
I'm gonna take that
I
one.
think
Look
at my bag.
No, overall, man, after overall.
In the Maypen market, guys. Not a joke thing. It's a Jenna thing. You have to move speedy. We're tired. Saudi Arabia have nothing on this. Real talk. The place is very hot. Alright, later.
Just put the flag. A while ago, I buy two planting. Wait now. And 200 free planting, give me 1,000, right? You know, say man give me back 1,100. He give me 500 and $100 bill. And what I do? I walk away, I look on the money and say, oh gosh. But turn I can give me, I say, boss, they give me an extra 5 bills.
About what? About him coming to the market?
Yes.
It shows that I train him well and he's going to be an excellent husband.
Oh wow. Oh, goodbye.
And a dozen this. And a dozen this. I'm not laughing about the market. What am I the banana?
Alright, we're good now, we can leave.
Not give everything more. You're not going to bash go? And make that. Out of 1,000, I'm get everything I need and still have change.
What do we want now?
We're finished, but nobody wants to leave the market. What is the problem? I am putting it in the vlog. They need to know my situation. That we are finished buying everything we want, but we're still here. Wow.
I get up.
Thank you. Sorry. Push through.
So 1,800 and something.
Yes. One of the best for me. beef patty, mums. Wow! Didn't know you ordered red peas, baby.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, they have a market.
That's it.
That is it.
Bad idea. One boom.
Alright, do it. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. We're off to church.
Hi, good morning, my peeps.